Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Cook with Mrs. Umami. In this video, I'm going to make Nutella bread. Let's make the wet mixture first. You need some warm milk. The temperature is less than 40 degrees Celsius. Add some sugar in it. Add yeast. Add some softened butter. Add some honey. Beat the egg. Then mix them all. Now let's prepare the dry part. Very simple. Just the bread flour and salt. Add the wet mixture to the flour and mix them little by little until you don't see the loose flour in the bowl. Then cover it and let it prove for 1 hour. Let's check the dough. This is the texture and the size after 1 hour. Get a piece of plastic film. Evenly spread some oil on it. Transfer the dough on top of the plastic film. Then wrap it up and let it rest for 20 minutes. We're going to divide the dough and make some shape. Before that, spread some flour on the table. Unwrap and check the dough. Degas first and then make it flat. Then roll it. My recipe is to make 6 bread, so divide the dough into 6 equal parts. I will manage each dough and make the surface smooth. The dough is ready. It's time to add the Nutella spread. I roll it out and make it flat first. Then add 20-gram Nutella spread to the center of the dough. Then wrap and close like this, same as how you make a bun. Roll it again and make an oval shape. Place your oval-shaped dough like this. One hand cover 1/3 of the dough. With certain angle, make some stripes. Flip the dough first, then roll it from bottom to the top. Cover them, let it rest for 1 hour. Preheat the oven at 180 Celsius or 350 Fahrenheit. They are ready for the oven. Don't forget, brush some egg wash to give the golden color. I baked them for 23 minutes this time. Time is up. My kitchen smells nutty and chocolatey. Let's do the calculation. This is the price list of all my ingredients. Each bread costs me 70 cents. I'm going to enjoy my Nutella bread with my tea. Thanks for watching my video.